If CapCut is freezing on your computer, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut freeze problem step by step so you can get back to editing smoothly. This method is simple, fast, and works for many users who run into lag, stuttering, or complete app freezes while working in CapCut PC. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and head to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for the Performance section. This is where CapCut gives you options that can help the app run more smoothly on your computer. In Performance, check the boxes for Speed Up Hardware Encoding and Speed Up Hardware Decoding. Enabling these options allows CapCut to use your system's hardware more efficiently, which can help reduce freezing, improve playback, and make editing feel much faster. After turning those options on, don't forget to apply the changes if needed. Now let's move on to the next fix. Go to the menu inside CapCut, then open Settings again and find the cache size option. Cache can build up over time and sometimes cause the app to slow down or freeze, especially if you've been editing a lot of projects. Clear the cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Once the cache is cleared, give CapCut a moment to finish the process. After that, the final step is very important. Restart CapCut on your PC completely. Close the app, wait a few seconds, and then open it again so all the new settings can take effect properly. Restarting helps refresh the program and can often resolve freezing issues immediately. If CapCut still freezes after this, it may help to check for updates, close background apps, or restart your computer as well. But in many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix the problem. So to recap, enable hardware acceleration, clear the cache, and restart CapCut PC. That's the quickest way to solve the CapCut freeze problem and get back to editing without interruptions. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.